In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add design over an oversized t-shirt in Photopea. We'll take a plain oversized T photo, place your artwork on top, shape it to the fabric, and blend it so the texture and folds show through. Open your browser and head to photopea.com. Once the workspace loads, you can start from the home screen by clicking Open from Computer, or if you're already in the editor, go to the File menu and choose Open. Select your oversized t-shirt image and it will appear as your base layer. Next, we'll bring in the design. Go back to the File menu and choose Open in Place. This is important. Open in Place adds your graphic as a new layer and immediately puts it into transform mode, which makes positioning easier. Pick your logo or artwork file, ideally a high-resolution PNG with transparency, and it will appear centered on the canvas. With the design selected, go to the Edit menu and choose Free Transform. Use the corner handles to scale the design to a comfortable size for an oversized shirt, and rotate it if needed. Holding Shift helps you keep proportions while scaling. Aim for a natural position across the chest area, giving the design some breathing room from the collar and side seams. To match the shirt's perspective, right-click inside the transform box and choose Perspective. Drag the corner handles slightly inward or outward so the top edge follows the shoulder angle and the bottom edge matches the drape toward the hem. Subtle adjustments go a long way. Zoom in and keep an eye on how the artwork aligns with wrinkles and curves. When it looks right, confirm the transform by pressing Enter or clicking the check mark in the top bar. Now let's blend it with the fabric. With the design layer active, open the layer menu and choose layer style, then blending options. At the top of the dialog, find the blending mode dropdown and select overlay. Overlay lets the shirt's highlights and shadows come through, making the print look like it's actually on the fabric instead of floating above it. If the effect feels too strong or too faint, gently adjust the opacity slider until it matches the texture of your shirt photo. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply. That's it, you've placed, shaped, and blended your design over an oversized t-shirt in Photopea, ready for mock-ups, listings, or social posts. Take a moment to review the edges and overall size, and you're good to go.